Hey, I'm Spencer Dinwiddie. In this video, you're going to learn how to use a CoinCloud digital currency machine. CoinCloud machines allow you to buy and sell digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and over 30 other digital currencies with cash. Using a DCM is one of the fastest, safest, and easiest ways to get started with crypto. First, hit the start button and enter your phone number on the screen. You will then receive a text message with a verification code. Enter that code using the keypad on the machine. This is where the fun begins. You can choose to buy or sell Bitcoin or one of over 30 other coins and tokens. For this video, we're going to select Buy Bitcoins, which includes small fractions of Bitcoin. Next, you'll scan your Bitcoin wallet on the top camera. You can use almost any mobile wallet with CoinCloud, but for the best experience, use the CoinCloud wallet app. If you are buying a different coin or token, be sure to use a wallet that supports that coin. Bitcoin wallets for Bitcoin, Ethereum wallets for Ethereum, and so on. You might be able to use the same app for this, but it depends what yours supports. Now all you need to do is insert the cash. Once you've inserted all of your cash, click I'm done, and the funds will appear in your wallet a few minutes later. You'll get a text with your receipt when it's ready. If you'd like to complete larger transactions, you can verify your account by logging back in and following the prompts on the screen. And if you have any questions, CoinCloud has live 24/7 client support. Go to coin.cloud to find your nearest digital currency machine today.